Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, I am Puteri Faida Alya binti Zainuddin from ICSTEM2020 Sarawak. The topic of my study is employees' job stress and job performance, where this is a case study that has been done at a company in Sarawak, Malaysia. Okay, here is the outline of my presentation, where we will begin with the background and then problem statement, followed by research framework, methods, find result, and end with summary, including with the suggestion to that company. Job performance refers to an employee's proficiency to achieve the goals that have been set by their organization. The success of any organization always depends on the performance of their employees. This means job performance is a crucial factor in affecting the organization's success. Many factors can influence job performance, such as salary, management control, job satisfaction, or even goal setting made by the top management. However, this study focuses on factors of job stress in affecting the job performance. Okay, this has been proved by Bruggen 2015, whereby employees' job performance can be impacted by job stress. This study has adapted and constructed from, which was introduced by Correctset 1979. Okay, whereby the model name is Job Demand Control Model. Under that model, job stress can be classified into job demand and job control. Under job demand, it has two parts, which are workload and time pressure. Meanwhile, under job control, consists of skill discretion and decision authority. Problem statement. Stress at the workplace is unavoidable due to the demands of contemporary work environment nowadays. If employees cannot manage this stress condition, then they cannot perform well. This also will lead to high absenteeism, or even worse, it can increase the number of employees' resignation. As a result, the goals of the organization cannot be achieved. Efficiency and trust in the organization also declining. Thus, this study would like to explore and predict which factors of job stress can affect job performance. Okay, here is the research framework. As you can see, job performance with the yellow color here is actually the outcome of for this study. Meanwhile, for the blue color, workload, time pressure, skill discretion, and decision authority are the independent variables or the predictors for this study. Okay, again, this framework is based on the job demand control model. Methods. For the sampling technique, we have used the simple sampling in order to collect the data. Sample, it consists of 80 respondents among Sarawak Timber Industry Development Corporation employees, where the short form for that industry is STIDC. For the method of data collection, we have used the questionnaire, where for the item we use the 10 Likert scale. It was adapted from the Karasek and Monisami study. For the analysis, we use the Pearson correlation and multiple linear regression. For the result, okay, here is the demographic profile for our respondents. Okay, again, there are 80 respondents for this study. Okay, mean, standard deviation, and normality result. Okay, before I explain for the mean, I would like to highlight the skewness and kurtosis. Based on these statistical values, we can conclude that the data were normally distributed. Thus, the parametric test can be used. Okay, as you can see the mean here, according to the means obtained for the descriptive statistics. So the highest score is skill discretion, which at 7.62. Okay, note that I use the 10 Likert scale, where it start from 1, which represent for extremely disagree, followed by 2 means strongly disagree, and the highest is 10, which is extremely agree. Okay, so the highest is skill discretion 7.62, means that the STIDC employees have problem with their skill discretion. And then the second highest is job performance, and followed by the time pressure. Okay, for the percent correlation among the variable, so as you can see, and here the job performance is the outcome. So there are stars for the independent variables, for all the variables here. So we can conclude that all the independent variables have significant correlation with the job performance. So as you can see here, the highest is 0.84, which is number 4 belongs to the skill discretion. So we can say that skill discretion has strong positive correlation with job performance. Okay, similar with over here, decision authority and time pressure. Okay, they have strong positive correlation with job performance. Okay, however, here is 0.495. We can say that workload has moderate positive correlation with job performance. Okay, next for multiple linear regression job performance. Here is the estimated model for the job performance. Okay, the model is significant. As you can see, the F value is at 50.479 with the adjusted R square 0.715. Okay, which means 71.5% of the variation in the job performance was explained by the variation in the workload, time pressure, skill discretion, and decision authority. Okay, however, the four independent here, only time pressure and skill discretion were significant to estimate the job performance. By making other variable constant, when rating for time pressure increased by 1 unit, then the rating for job performance will be increased by 0.855. Okay, so which means employee can perform better when they was given longer time frame to complete their tasks. For the skill description, we can conclude that the employees who have the knowledge or skill could do better in their job. Okay, in summary, we can conclude that all the independent variables, which are workload, temperature, skill discretion, and decision authority, were correlated with job performance. However, only time pressure and skill discretion significantly affect job performance, where the model obtained explains 71.5% of the variance in job performance. Since workload is not significantly affect the job performance, however, it has a correlation with job performance. It means that majority of STIDC employees capably manage heavy workload and know which task is priority. Okay, however, the employee in the organization experience time pressure while perform their tasks. Thus, this organization can reduce the working time for employees because working for longer hours will give impact on employees' performance and health. The manager also should give a longer time to their employees to complete any task. The management at STIDC should provide proper and more training to enhance their employees' knowledge and polish their skill discretion. This is because of it has significant effect on their job performance. Okay, and every organization also should know that if they want their employees to grow, they should empower employees to make their own decision. Okay. Other than that, STIDC also should recognize which employees that do excellent work and give them a bonus, salary increase, and promotion, so that they will feel appreciated and they can perform better. Okay, that's all for today, and thank you.